You are going to love the 2021 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.